All right, if you're having problems just like I am with the microphones, so I want to mount this, all right, but not on the existing mount that it came with, because this is actually originating from here. I need to mount it right here, my arm, because I do have one set up already. So I want to be able to mount it, but unfortunately, I had to get an adapter. This adapter does not fit this one. If you guys can see, look how long it is. Look, it's not working. So solution is that I bought these. These are actually extenders, multiple different combinations that they have. In fact, this is probably the one I'm going to use, because this thing, look at this, it's going to fit that. So we're going to see if this works right here. Hey, what do you know? I took out the adapter and look at this. Perfect fitting. So let me put you guys down so I could set this up, and I'll show you the final results. Now I was able to set up the adapter on this one. All right. Now if I want to add this one here, which is a smaller one, to this larger one, I'm going to see if we have the adapters for that. So let me see if that works. So let me find which one it is, because I got various ones that I got to find the right one, right combination, and to make sure it fits. So we're going to do that. Found it. So with the actual existing one that I removed from the other one, this one actually fits perfect. So we could reuse this microphone. All right, there's another connection here. If you guys can see that, I haven't tied it up. I'm just showing you guys how it is. But these are going to come in handy if I ever want to do a podcast and make sure I have the right combinations for the microphone heads. So if you guys don't know what they need, or maybe you bought the wrong ones or something, this is great just to have in case of emergency, in case you have to set up other microphones that are not compatible with your arm. I like that it comes with many of them in the package. Lots of solutions for your hand, your arm, for your microphone. It could be for anything else too, a camera too. So, but overall, if you're a content creator, it's a must.